Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, we're gonna do another Halloween project. I am super excited about these projects. Oh my goodness, these little beautiful tiny kitten Halloween belt stickers are adorable, guys. I'm gonna show you how to make these really fun, cute little embellishments that I created out of the um, felt little cat face from Target. I found these at Target a while ago and I thought they were so freaking adorable. And so I turned them into some really fun little embellishments for Halloween. You can add these to a goodie bag. You can add these to a Happy Meal. I mean, you can add them to a cupcake. Also, they're super fun and cute to make and super easy. So let's make it together. Let me show you. So I was at the Dollar Tree not too long ago and I could not resist myself from picking these plastic forks. They're at the Dollar Tree by the food section or kitchen section, and they're basically just like little plastic forks. I love these. These are so awesome for a lot of projects. I picked up tons of these. I picked up like 4 of them because I love using them. They're so much fun. And what we did today is we're going to use the orange and the green one. You have a whole bunch of different colors to use from. I'm definitely going to be using the pink one for Christmas. And there's other colors in here that you can use for other projects, okay? So make sure you keep your eye on that. So we're going to use the 2 that we have here, which is the orange and the green, okay? To create these really lovely cat embellishments. Very simple. Pick the cat that you want to work with. I have here these 2 cats. Let me see if I can put you a little bit closer to me. Let me see if I can move these around so I can give you a good little area to look. Okay, so I picked the green one and I picked the orange one. That's what we're going to work with today. All I did was basically I added some googly eyes to my little cat, which I have my googly eyes right here. I just hot glued them to the cat. Very simple. You don't have to add googly eyes if you don't want to, but you guys know how much I love my googly eyes. I'm super obsessed with googly eyes. I love it. I think it makes a project look super fun and more playful. See, as you can see there. Okay, let's do the orange. Okay, and there we have our googly eyes all glued down and ready to use. Look at the little cat, how cute. He looks so much better with googly eyes. Look at that. He looks so much fun with googly eyes. Okay, perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work with the background. We are going to use some cupcake liners. You guys know how I'm obsessed with cupcake liners. So I have these cupcake liners. I think I got these at Michael's. And I like to squish my cupcake liner in the center, giving it some nice squishiness to make it smaller and make it kind of like a nice size. Okay, so here we have 2, this one and this one that I did earlier. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some ribbon first to decorate our little Halloween cat. So here I have this ribbon that I bought at Michael's, I think it was last year. So what I did with these cats were I basically just took a little piece of ribbon and I kind of made it into like a little shape like this, okay? That's basically all I did. And what we're going to do is we're going to hot glue this right in the center of the cupcake liner. So first, let's hot glue the glue together. Hot glue the glue. Hot glue the ribbon together so it can stay like that. And you should get a little shape like that, you see? And now we're going to hot glue the ribbon onto our cupcake liner right in the center, just like that. Okay. Whoops. Okay, very good. So now that we have this going on, what we're going to do is we're going to add our little cat in the center of our cupcake liner and a little ribbon. We're going to add some dimension because we want our cats to lift up, right? So I have here these dimensions that I like to buy at this is I got at Michael's, but I also like to buy the ones at the Dollar Tree. But I'm going to use these because why not? I'm going to add some hot glue to the back of this right here, and I'm going to add this right in the center of my ribbon. And there you have it, right in the center of the ribbon. And you should get something, this is so cute. Make sure that it adheres well, okay, before you move it around. Make sure you clean all these like string glues, which are super annoying, I know. But at the end, you should get something like this. Look how cute this turned out. They're so cute, right? Beautiful. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do next is, for these right here, I did something different to each one. So for this one, in the circle of the, like in the middle of the circle of the cat, I added some stems. And what I did was, I basically took orange and purple stem. I twisted together like a pretzel, and then once I twisted it all together as a pretzel, I kind of cut out a little piece, and this little piece is what I'm going to put around my little cat's neck, giving it a nice cute little decorative look. Okay, that is basically all I did with when it comes to this part of the project. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give it a nice little circle shape so it can actually go right under the neck of the cat. That gives it like a nice little shape. And when you put the dimensions in the back of the cat, it kind of helps you keep your stems in place. So all you're gonna do is basically just squish your stamp against your cat, and that's not gonna really move anywhere. It's gonna stay right there in that area where you put it. Now, if you want to be sure that your little collar does not fall, you can always add some glue to the back of it if you want, okay? So, here, let's put this right like that. Right over the neck of the cat. See? And it just stays in place. It doesn't go anywhere, actually. But you can always reinforce it with hot glue if you want. But you see how cute that looks? Now, that's what I did for some of these. For others, I just basically added a little cute little bow and a little cute little pom-pom, and that is basically what I did. So let's do the same thing with this one. I have here a black bow. So we're going to add this little black bow right over here over the collar of the cat. There you go. And that's going to give it a cute little fun, quirky look. And you should get something like this. You see that? This one has the cute little bow, and this one has the cute little stems. See that? Pipe cleaners. I don't know what you guys want to call them. Usually they're called pipe cleaners, but look how cute these look. I love them, right? Okay, perfect. So what else are we going to do with our cat? We're going to finish our cat, giving it some nice stylish look. And what is that going to be? A Halloween hat. So I got these stickers from Michaels. They're Halloween witch hats. They're super cute. As you can see here, they are adorable. So what I want to do is I'm going to add some hats to my cute cat. And I like to add a little dab of hot glue on the back. Add my cute little hat to my cat. And it's just going to give your cat such a cute little fun look. Look at that. How cute is that? I love it. Let's do this one. Let's use purple hat for this one. Okay, that's my mom's dog barking again. She loves squirrels. See? There you go. There you go. How cute is this? I love it. And look at that. Our little cute cat is basically complete. All we gotta do is just add our little forks to the back and we're done. So how are we gonna do that? Very, very simple, my friends. Get yourself some cutouts. I made some hearts. I made some little hearts here. Okay, I used some paper, Halloween paper, and just punched out 2 little hearts. And what we're going to do is on the back of our little embellishment, we're going to add our little picks. So for the green one, I'm going to add my orange pick, okay, because I'm going to color coordinate it differently. So add some picks to the back. Add your pick to the back. So you're going to add some hot glue. You're going to add your pick onto the hot glue. Make sure it faces how you want it to face, okay, and let that sit for a few seconds. Let's do the same thing with this one. So I want my picks to look like this. Okay, I'm gonna add some hot glue on the back. I'm gonna add my pick and make sure that it is facing the way you want it to face. And now on the back, so it kind of looks nice and neat, it doesn't look too messy, that's where we're going to add our little circle, our little heart punch right on there, okay? So we're going to reinforce it with some more hot glue right in the center. Add your heart right over your pick so it can look nice and neat. And guess what? We are done with this adorable, simple, cute project. Done. That's it. We're done. And that's how you create these super cute, adorable little pics. Oh my goodness, I think they're so cute. I absolutely love these. These are so awesome to add to like a goodie bag, or if you're mailing out some fun mail to someone. Wouldn't that be adorable to add to like a mail? Oh my gosh, I love the hats. The hats are like my favorite part about this adorable project. I super, super love it. All right, my loves. I hope you enjoy watching me make these adorable little cats. Make sure you stop by my Instagram account so you can see some more pictures. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I love you. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on our next Halloween project. Love you all. Mwah. Bye, honey bunnies. Be safe.